Hey everyone, I know it doesn't seem like it, but we are not professional YouTubers. We're just plumbers. Someone told me if I ask our viewers to like, comment, and subscribe, it can really help us out. So please do so. Thank you.
Thank you. And don't let the baby face fool you. I've been in this business for over 30 years. Okay?
How you doing? I'm Mike from Water Main Sewer Contractors. Here we have Stanley. Stanley, he just told me he's doing good. Stanley is one of our longest employees here, right?
Most definitely.
30 years?
About 30 years.
So Stanley is not only one of our foremen, he's also a backhoe operator. Now Stanley, the backhoe, I know this, but the backhoe is one of the most important machines and tools that we use here to get the job done, correct?
Most definitely.
What did it take for you to become an operator?
From the get-go, I had an interest in becoming an operator.
Okay, so you like slowly trained?
And the job site, I would jump on the machine, started messing around with it. My foreman, Lyndon, he showed me a few pointers and I took it from there.
How long did it take you to become efficient enough to take it out in the field?
A couple of weeks.
That's it?
Yeah, because like I said, like almost every day I would jump on it every chance
So
I
you
get.
put a lot of time in with it.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Now, with that, is it that challenging? Like I could drive a car, can I drive a backhoe?
I mean, you could drive it, but operating it is a different thing.
Is it a different thing?
Yeah.
And what if you're really good at like video games and stuff? You could you have eye-hand coordination.
It's different.
I'm not very good at video games, but I've seen you operate 1,000 times. I bet I could probably just operate this thing.
I mean, you could try, but
why don't you give me a rundown on how it works?
All right.
All right.
Step in after you. Okay, first off, you have to put down your stabilizers.
So which one is our stabilizers?
These two at the end right here.
The two little ones?
Yes.
Now can you do them at the same time or do they have to be separate?
Go at the same time. Push forward push forward.
Now, how do you know when you're stabilized the right way?
You have the feeling. You got okay, make sure they stay there.
All right, so what are these pedals?
Okay, this is your boom swing.
What is
the one
that?
on the right, you press it, it swings to the right. The one on the left, you press over there, it swings to the left. Yeah, you gotta be gentle.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Now, to bring it back to the left,
Yeah.
you press slowly the left pedal.
See how smooth that is?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a natural. I want to lift the thing up, so I got to pull this
Pull this backwards, yes.
And then I want to open it. That's this one, right?
You want to open the boom?
No, I want
the
to
bucket
open
itself.
the boom.
Yeah, that's when you push forward. To bring it back, you pull towards you.
Okay. And then, which one's, and then this is the extender?
Yes.
Then you extend it out.
Mm-hmm. Push
All
forward.
right. Forward.
Mm-hmm. Back.
Back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now to open the bucket itself.
Yeah.
Open and close the bucket, the one on the far left.
This one?
Yes, you push forward to open. Then you pull towards you in order to close it.
Alright, so if I wanted to take a scoop of dirt,
You open,
yep.
you go down,
So that's this one?
this one down.
Oh, you do it at the same time?
Yeah, now you close, you pull this one towards you.
That was not a very good start.
Okay, bring it up, lift the bucket up. Okay, push this one forward, open it, dump that out. All the way, open it all the way. Okay, now you go down.
This one?
Yeah, all the way down. Down, press on it, down, a little more. Now you curl, the one on the far left. Okay. Now you raise it back up. Okay.
That was a good one.
Yeah. Bring the extension in, pull towards you. Okay, now you swing to the left with the... Now to dump it out, to empty the bucket, you're going to push forward on this one on the far left, yes.
Not a lot of dust. So when you started doing this, you were practicing for a few weeks.
Yeah, in a open field, like in a dirt garage. There's nothing in the way.
So even though it took you a few weeks, when did you really feel comfortable? Like, I know right now I could schedule you on any job. Doesn't matter if we're digging 20 feet, the busiest street in Manhattan, or a quiet side street, it doesn't matter. How long did it take you to get that comfortable?
About 3 months or so.
3 months?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Because
I don't know if I'd be that
you have to have that feel to know when you hit something, when to back off and stuff like that.
Yeah. Gotcha.
There's different feel for different material when you touch it.
Okay. All right.
So there's a certain feel if you hit wood.
Yeah.
You can feel it's a different resistance.
You can tell the difference if you hit wood and rock?
Yeah.
Like it's a little softer?
Yeah. You could feel it, like the sensors in your finger, the tip of your finger, you could actually tell the difference.
So if you don't know what you're doing, you could easily like rip utilities.
Definitely.
You could cause a lot of damage.
A lot of damage.
Okay. Well, Stanley, thank you.
It's a pleasure.
All right, so clearly I can kind of operate. I'm not great, but according to Stanley, 3 months from now, I could be out in the field. Thanks for watching our video.
Thank you.